What is a washer drain pump? Have you ever opened your washing machine after a cycle and found your clothes sitting in a tub full of dirty water? If so, there's a good chance your washer's drain pump is trying to tell you something. The drain pump is one of the hardest working parts of any washing machine, yet it's also one of the least understood. Every single load of laundry depends on it doing its job properly. In today's video, we're going to answer some of the most common questions homeowners have about washer drain pumps. What is a washer drain pump? A washer drain pump is a small electric pump that removes dirty water from your washing machine during the drain cycle. Inside the pump is a tiny spinning fan called an impeller. When the washing machine tells the pump to turn on, the impeller spins rapidly, forcing water out of the washer through the drain hose and into your home's plumbing. Although it's relatively small, the drain pump is one of the most important components inside the entire washing machine. Without it, your washer simply can't complete a normal cycle. Where is the drain pump located? On most front-load washers, the drain pump is located near the bottom front of the machine. On many top-load washers, it's usually mounted underneath the washer near the drain hose connection. Depending on the manufacturer, you may need to remove either the front panel, rear panel, or even tilt the washer to gain access. Because it's mounted low, the drain pump is one of the first components to come into contact with debris that escapes from clothing pockets. Coins, hair ties, small socks, buttons, paper clips, even pet hair and lint can eventually make their way into the pump. What does the drain pump actually do? To understand why the drain pump is so important, it helps to know what happens during a normal wash cycle. First, your washer fills with water, then it agitates or tumbles your clothes to remove dirt. After the wash cycle finishes, all of that dirty water has to leave the machine before fresh rinse water can enter. That's when the drain pump switches on. The pump pushes the dirty water through the drain hose until the tub is empty. Only after the washer confirms the water has drained will it begin the high-speed spin cycle. If the pump can't remove the water, most washers won't spin at all. That's why a bad drain pump often leaves clothes soaking wet. Common signs your drain pump is failing. Let's talk about the warning signs. 1. Water stays inside the washer. This is by far the most obvious symptom. You finish a load of laundry, open the door, and there's still several inches of water sitting inside. If the water isn't leaving the tub, the drain pump should be one of the first things you suspect. 2. The washer won't spin. Many people assume the spin cycle is broken, but in reality, most washing machines refuse to spin until they're completely drained. No drainage means no spin. 3. Strange noises. If you hear humming, grinding, buzzing, clicking, or rattling during the drain cycle, something may be stuck inside the pump. Sometimes it's just a coin or small object. Other times the pump itself is wearing out. 4. Slow draining. Instead of draining within a minute or two, the washer takes several minutes or stops completely. This often indicates a partial clog or a pump that's beginning to fail. 5. Error codes. Modern washing machines constantly monitor water levels. If they detect that the water isn't draining quickly enough, they'll display an error code. The exact code depends on your washer's manufacturer, but they all point toward a drainage problem. 6. Burning smell. A drain pump that's struggling to turn can overheat. If you ever notice a burning electrical smell coming from the washer, stop using it until you determine the cause. Ignoring it could lead to further damage. Is it really the pump? Here's something many homeowners don't realize. A bad drain pump isn't always the problem. Sometimes the pump is perfectly fine. It's simply blocked. Common items found inside drain pumps include coins, bobby pins, hair ties, toothpicks, children's socks, lint buildup, pet hair, pieces of plastic, buttons. Even one small object can prevent the impeller from spinning correctly. Can you prevent drain pump problems? Absolutely. Here are a few easy habits that can extend the life of your drain pump. Always check your pockets before doing laundry. Use mesh laundry bags for baby socks and delicate clothing. Clean your pump filter regularly if your washer has one. Avoid overloading the washer. If you hear unusual noises, investigate early, instead of waiting for the problem to become worse. These simple habits can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs. The washer drain pump may not be the biggest or most expensive part inside your washing machine, but without it, your washer simply can't do its job. If your washer isn't draining, won't spin, or is making strange noises, the drain pump is one of the first components worth checking. Sometimes the fix is as simple as removing a clog. Other times, the pump may need to be replaced. Either way, catching the problem early can prevent water damage, reduce repair costs, and keep your laundry routine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know what appliance you'd like us to explain next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.